Hey there, Mr. Thayer from the Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship, back with another third grade math lesson. Today we're looking at Module 2, Lesson 11. We're solving mixed word problems involving all four operations with grams, kilograms, liters, and milliliters in the same unit. Okay, so today I feel like this is one of the important lessons for us to kind of understand and see what is happening. I'm going to break down 4 word problems for you. We are going to use each operation, and I have kind of a tape diagram to help me break everything down. So a couple of things we need to understand. 1, what is being asked of us in the word problem? Okay, we have to understand which operation are we going to use to solve our problems. Okay, so we got 4 of them. We're gonna just knock these out and see what happens. But you gotta really pay attention to what is being asked of you right now. All right, let me move a couple of things around here, and then let's get started with our first word problem. It says Karen goes on a hike. She brings a notebook, a pencil, and a camera. What is the total weight of the items? Okay, she goes on a hike. She has a notebook. It weighs 312 grams. A pencil that weighs 10 grams. And a camera that weighs 365 grams. What is the total weight of all the items? Okay? When I see total right here, it makes me think addition. It makes me think that I'm going to add. So they want to know how much all of these items weigh. So what I like to do is I take my tape diagram here. I break it into 3 pieces. Okay? I know the notebook weighs 312 grams. The pencil weighs 10 grams. And the camera weighs 365 grams. Okay? So if we add all of this together, that is what we are solving for right there. Okay? The notebook, the pencil, the camera, we add those 3 all up. We will find our total weight of what she is carrying. Okay? So basically, we're just going to go 312 plus 10 plus 365. Okay? And we're going to add all of those up. And addition strategies vary. I'm just going to go from top to bottom here. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 6 is 8, and 3 plus 3 is 6. 687, what are we talking about? Yes, we're talking about grams. Okay? 687 grams is what she carried on her hike. We'll put a big plus sign right there. We used the operation of addition to figure out our first problem. Okay? Very straightforward. I used my tape diagram, put my numbers in. I understood that was total weight, told me to add, boom, knocked it out. Okay, question number 2, here we go. Together, a horse and its rider weighs 729 kilograms. The horse weighs 625 kilograms. How much does the rider weigh? How much does the rider weigh? So let's use our tape diagram right here and see what we know. What do we already know? We know that the horse weighs 625 kilograms. Okay, we know that. And we also know that the total weight is 729 kilograms. Okay? We need to figure out how much the rider weighs. Okay? So right now, looking at that, we have a total weight. We have one solved, which is the horse. We have to find out how much the rider weighs. So that's telling me right now how much does the rider weigh. I think we're going to subtract here. Okay? We're going to subtract the total weight, which is 729. We're going to take away the amount that the horse weighs, which is 625 kilograms. And that answer should give us how much the rider weighs. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 7 minus 6 is 1. And we are working in kilograms. So we know that the rider right here weighs 104. I'll write it in there. 104 kilograms. Okay? So for that second one, we use the operation of subtraction. Okay? We took what was provided for us, the 729. We subtract how much the horse weighed, and the leftover answer from subtraction told us that the rider weighed 104 kilograms. And we made sure that we labeled it as well. Okay? 2 questions to go here. Question number 3. Jane's soccer team fills up 6 water coolers before the game. Each water cooler holds 9 liters of water. How many liters does that fill up? Okay? So we got 6 water coolers, and each one of those water coolers holds 9 liters of water. Okay? So on my tape diagram, I know, let's represent the water coolers. Okay? 2, let's see, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's draw one more water cooler. So we know she has 6 water coolers, right? And each water cooler holds 9 liters of water. So we're putting 9 liters of water in each water cooler. Okay? And we want to know how many liters is it going to take. Okay? We can attack this with 2 operations here. All right? We have groups here and how much. So we could come here and say we have 9 liters times 6 coolers. 9 times 6. Okay? Or we could just take these 9s and just add them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? We can go 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Or we can go 9 times 6. 9 times 6, got to know our multiplication facts, would be 54. And then 9 plus 9 plus 9, we're counting by 9s. It's going to give us the same thing, 54. I keep messing up because I need to put liters in there. I have to label. We talked about labeling your problems. Make sure you label them. Okay? So 54 liters is what our answer would be. Okay? I was able to use 2 operations there. If I wanted to, I could I could add, or I could multiply 9 times 6. But either way, my answer got me to 54 liters. Okay? So far, so good. Let's attack this last question here. We really got to think about what we have here. It says, Dwight purchased 48 kilograms of fertilizer for his garden. He needs 6 kilograms for each bed. How many beds can he fertilize? Okay? So we have on our tape measure here, our tape diagram here, we know we have 48 kilograms to work with. Okay? And we know that each bed, or for each bed, he needs 6 kilograms of fertilizer. Okay? All right? All right? So we know he has 48 kilograms of fertilizer, and each bed takes 6 kilograms to fill. So how many can he fill? All right? I'm automatically thinking of, kind of got the total there, and I know what is in each. So I'm thinking 2 different things here. First off, I'm thinking 48 kilograms divided by 6 kilograms in each bed will give us our answer. So 48 divided by 6 will give us our answer. Or I could flip it, and I could say 6 times something will give us 48. So see how I broke that down? I broke that down into two number sentences there. 48 divided by 6 gives us our answer, or 6 times something will give us our answer. And you guys might have already like knocked this out in your head. You'd be like, oh, I know that. I know what 6 times equals 48. I know what 48. Or we could just take this tape measure here, and we could just keep adding 6 to it until we get to 48. All right? So let's add another. We got 6. If we add another 6 in there, 6. Count up, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, we're not there yet. Let's add another 6 in there. Count up from 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We're not there yet. Let's count up again. From 18, count up by 6. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We're getting closer, but we're still not there. Let's count up from 24. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Have we made it to 48 yet? Not yet. Let's count up by 6. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Got a little tongue-tied there. That's okay. 36. Are we there yet? Not yet. Let's count up 6 more. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Getting closer. We're in the 40s there. Let's draw one more bed here. Let's count it up. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. There we go. Okay. So how many beds did he have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So we used our tape measure our tape diagram to understand that he could get 8 beds out of that 48. If we come over here, 48 divided by 6 gives us 8. And I should say 8 kilograms here. And 6 times, yep, you guessed it, 6 times 8 gives us 48. So our answer is 8 kilograms. Right there. And you can see we use the operations of division and multiplication to answer our problems. But we also used our tape model that if we needed to go 6 by 6 by 6 by 6 and work it up, that's how we could do it. So either way you use is fine. Use what you have, but I'm giving you guys more tools to put in your toolbox when it comes to solving math. All right? So to sum that lesson up, I'm going to tell you, out of all the lessons we have filmed, this was a very important lesson in my eyes because it shows all 4 operations. All right? You got to be able to understand what's being asked. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. You also have to comprehend what is going on in the question. What are they asking for? And how to break things down. All right? So head over to that exit ticket. Check it out. We're going to have a bunch of operations for you guys to do. Slow down. Take your time. Answer those questions. And I'll give you some feedback soon. Thanks.